Hello and welcome back to my channel Craft Arts. Today we will paint a simple mountain leaf landscape. So let's get started. Today we'll paint with weight on weight technique. So weight your paper nicely and add some rough strokes in your sky and let the color flow along with the water. I think this is the most satisfying thing about watercolor painting. And for my power tip, you know what you have to do. Yes, you have to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy the color and the paper I'm using, then you can check the description box below. I have provided the link there so you can directly go through it. Again, add some water to the wall of your mountain clay before applying the color. Once you have applied your color, tilt your paper and give it a nice spray of water. Remove some color from here and there with a palette knife, and along with that sprinkle some color with a brush before your paper gets dry. Then start painting the dry tree. When you paint these grasses, make sure your paper is completely dry. Now it's time for today's power tip. So when you paint the walls of your mountain cliff, ensure to add a very good amount of pigment. So when you spray the water, only some colors will flow along with the water. That's it, guys. So if you like my painting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. And something else is there. If you wanna learn how to paint weight on weight landscape painting, then click on the left side video, and for easy silhouette landscape, click on the right side video. Bye bye.